How to add audio files to your Flipbook. Want to make your Flipbook more engaging? With Publuu, you can easily add audio files to any page of your publication. Here's how to do it. Start by uploading your PDF file and converting it into an interactive Flipbook. Once it's ready, click Add Hotspots. Then select the page where you want the audio hotspot to appear. Choose Sound and upload your MP3 file. Your audio hotspot will automatically be placed in the center of the selected page. You can move it anywhere you like. On the right panel, you can preview the audio and use additional options such as autoplay, loop, and show or hide player. If needed, you can also replace the audio file at any time. Next, open the Style tab. Here, you can customize the hotspot's appearance by changing its colors or turning it into an active area. You can also adjust the active area's color to match your Flipbook design. That's it! Your Flipbook is now enhanced with audio, creating a richer and more interactive experience for your audience. Explore more. Discover what's possible with Publuu.